Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 8 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started you want to pull down the notification panel and from here find the toggle. So for me it looks like it's on the second page right here, the moon icon. And once you find it, what you want to do is hold the icon and this will take you to the settings. And from here you can customize a couple different things, basically how the Do Not Disturb mode will function. So I'm going to start with the most important one, which is the schedule right here. So this will basically allow you to set it up once and forget about it. And so it will turn on and off automatically, kind of like an alarm clock. So you could go in here and set it up. There we go. Now by default there is a sleep one set up, but you can tap on the plus sign and add your own, set it up. Now if we go back, we have exceptions, probably the second most important part. So we have exceptions for calls, messages, and notifications. So let's start with notifications. We can display or change the way the notifications are being displayed. So we have banner, status bar, lock screen notifications, and so on. Then if we go back, we have messages and calls. I'll go only over calls because messages has the same options as calls basically. So as you can see, we can allow calls from anyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. Now personally, anyone kind of defeats the purpose of the Do Not Disturb mode if anybody can call you. None option is also an okay option. It looks like it is missing one little thing here. Most of the Do Not Disturb modes do have an option for repeated callers, which is not present here. So make sure you choose wisely which option you want, because before you could have always set it to be, for instance, no one, but if someone calls you twice, they will be able to get through. Here we don't have such an option. And from there we also have ring for, oh wait, no, we do have it somewhere else completely. So ring for repeated callers. Now in here it's not 5 minutes, it's 3 minutes, so it's a little bit shorter. But basically if you have set right here allow calls from no one, this will allow people to actually still call you if they call twice within a 3-minute period, assuming you enable it. And silence media one Do Not Disturb mode is on, so that is completely up to you if you want it or not. So that being said, once you have set up everything here, you can simply leave it and never come back to the settings, if assuming you don't want to change anything. And all you need to do is either tap on the toggle right here or wait for it to turn on if you have set up a schedule. Now if you decided to turn on manually by tapping on a toggle, make sure you also turn it off, otherwise it will be permanently on. So you simply tap on it and this will turn it off. So that is how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.